What if I told you there is a version of garlic that looks like it's been aged in darkness, tastes sweet like balsamic, smells like it's from another planet, and might just help you live longer? You have walked past it in markets, you have never heard of doctor mention it, but today we are peeling back the layers on black garlic. What is black garlic and how is it linked to living longer and healthier? Stick around because by the end of this video, you won't just understand the science, you will know exactly how to use it to upgrade your daily health. Chapter 1. What even is black garlic? Most people think garlic comes in two forms, raw and cooked. But there is a third form, older, darker and wiser. Black garlic is not a separate species. It's ordinary garlic that's been aged under precise heat and humidity for 3 to 4 weeks. The result? A deep black color, soft jelly-like texture and sweet umami-rich flavor with none of the harsh bite of raw garlic. In Korean, Thai, Japanese and even ancient Egyptian medicine, it's been revered for centuries. But in the West, totally overlooked, ignored in the supermarket and ignored in our conversations about longevity. Until now. Chapter 2. The science of long life and hidden benefits in fermented clove. So why does black garlic matter for longevity? It's supercharged and upgraded version of garlic. And here are 5 scientific facts and health benefits it offers. First, black garlic contains higher levels of powerful antioxidant called acetylcysteine, which is in higher quantity in black garlic than regular garlic. It neutralizes free radicals, improves cognitive health and supports detoxification at the cellular level. Second, cardiovascular protection. Studies show it improves cholesterol profiles, lowers blood pressure and reduces arterial stiffness, a key marker of vascular aging. Third, neuroprotection. Animal studies suggest black garlic protects against memory decline and inflammatory brain aging, linked to conditions like Alzheimer's. Fourth, anti-inflammatory effects. It reduces inflammatory markers like TNF-alpha and IL-6, both associated with accelerated aging. Fifth, gut health and immunity. Its fermentation process creates prebiotic compounds that feed beneficial gut bacteria, key players in immune function and mental health. Let's be clear, black garlic isn't magic, but when used daily, it becomes a compound interest investment in your biology. Chapter 3. Why don't we talk about this? If black garlic is so powerful, why has no one told you? Here is why. First, it doesn't come from the West. It's a traditional food in Korea and Thailand. Western media and medical systems haven't caught up. Second, it's not profitable for big pharma. You cannot patent garlic, you cannot sell it in a pill, so it gets zero promotion. Third, it's misunderstood. Its dark color makes people think it's burnt or spoiled, but in reality, it's aged like wine or dry-aged beef. Fermentation deepens its chemistry. Fourth, it looks weird. Let's be honest, if it doesn't look Instagram pretty, it doesn't get the spotlight. But black garlic was never here to photogenic. It's here to make you live better. Chapter 4. Where can you find it, or far better option, how can you make it at home? Here is the good news. Black garlic is no longer locked away in Korean villages. You can now find it at Whole Foods, Trader Joe's or Asian supermarkets, online on Amazon or specialty food stores. Or you can make it yourself with a rice cooker and a few bulbs of garlic. Yes, really, that's it. So here is a step-by-step process to make it at home. Step 1. Don't peel the garlic, use whole bulbs with the skin on. This protects them during the aging process. Step 2. Wrap each bulb in a parchment paper or paper towels. This helps with even aging and keeps moisture consistent. Step 3. Place the bulbs in your rice cooker or slow cooker. Set it to the keep warm mode, usually around 140 to 170 degrees. Let it age for 3 to 4 weeks uninterrupted. Yes, weeks. Do not open the lid often. It needs a warm, stable environment. Step 5. Ventilate your space. Black garlic has a strong smell while aging. Place the cooker in a garage, balcony or somewhere it won't overpower your house. Step 6. After 3 to 4 weeks, open it. The cloves should be jet black, soft, sweet and slightly chewy. That's your homemade black garlic. Here are some tips to make the process smoother and better. Avoid using raw garlic from the fridge. Dry garlic at room temperature works better. Don't rush it. Higher temperatures can burn it instead of fermenting it. Store finished black garlic in an airtight container in the fridge. It will last up to 3 months. Black garlic is globally available now, but only if you look for it. And chances are your neighbor still has no idea it exists. But this is how you transform an everyday food into an ancient age-defying remedy right from your kitchen. Chapter 5: How to make black garlic part of your routine. First, eat 2 cloves per day, raw or lightly added at the end of cooking. Second, mash into salad dressings, spread on toast or add to soups post cooking. Third, mix into hummus or guacamole for a sweet, savory kick. And fourth, use black garlic powder or paste if you are short on time. Avoid high heat cooking. You don't want to destroy the antioxidant compounds. Treat it like a fine olive oil. Finish with it, don't fry with it. And yes, unlike raw garlic, it doesn't leave you with garlic breath, so no excuses. This is how food becomes medicine. Chapter 6: The deeper meaning. Longevity is in the overlooked. Here is the truth. The world keeps searching for $5,000 biohacks and celebrity-endorsed supplements. But the real secrets, they are hiding in plain sight. Black garlic is a metaphor for the knowledge we have ignored and the cultures we haven't listened to, and the simple things that could save us if we just paid attention. Aging isn't a curse, it's a path, and black garlic is a quiet ally, walking beside you if you let it. If you have made it this far, you already know more than 99% of people, but imagine what else you are missing. On this channel, we uncover the real human stories behind longevity, the science that's hidden, the habits you actually apply, and the truth behind the noise. So if you are serious about aging smarter, hit subscribe now. Your future self will thank you. And while you are at it, leave a comment. Have you ever heard of black garlic before today? I want to hear your story. Because this isn't just about food, it's about what else we have been blind to. Let's change that together. I will see you in the next one.